Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NIO on July the 20th when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $4.98 at overnight session. And my main assumption at this point was that this asset was forming this type of ascending channel. It is a bear flag, and I told you that if it breaks the lower border of this channel, we can retest this green rectangle and the price point of roughly $4.5. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of NIO, and I made my previous video when this asset was at this point. And as you can see, this asset retested this level one more time, retested another time and broke it to the downside. And when this breakout happened, guys, take a look right here. It happened exactly as in a textbook. It retested it as the range of support, broke it to the downside, retested from the bottom as the range of resistance and went lower. And here you can see that it touched $4.5. It touched it to the tick and it reached this level of accumulation that I marked, back in, I believe, in June of this year. And this is the evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up. So guys, and on today's video I will show you how I identified this type of pattern and how you can choose between bull and bear cases if you want to bet on some assets. So first of all, let's take a look at the general sentiment related to this stock. And to be honest, we don't have a lot of news that were published since I made my previous video. As you can see, we had several news that were published on July 22nd, and I made my previous video on July the 20th. We don't have a lot of catalysts. That is why the price by itself went lower. The most important upcoming catalyst is definitely the sales, the deliveries number for month of July. And today is the last day of July, and I believe that within several days we will see this new update, and depending on the results on this chart, depending on the deliveries itself, we can expect the movement of NIO. And to be honest, I believe that this asset should hold its 40,000 deliveries threshold. And if it happens, guys, we will see much more bullish pressure on this stock in the upcoming several weeks. So, and in general, I have to admit that this asset is still, let's zoom out to 6 hours time frame, this asset is still in downtrend. We don't have any breakouts We don't have any breakouts above previous swing highs, and when it happens, this might be the first sign of trend reversal. And so let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me explain you how did I catch this pattern, this bear flag, and how you can do it, and how you can diversify the bull case and bear case scenario in your analysis. First of all, if you want to spot on the bull case and if you want to prove your assumption, you have to see this type of structure. Let's switch again to hourly time frame. From the local bottom, right after it forms first tiny bounce to the upside, you have to expect this 5 waves movement in most ideal scenario that should be followed by 3 wave structure. And as long as we don't see this type of movement, we cannot expect that the trend has changed. As you can see right here, let me delete these tools, I don't need them anymore. As you can see, we have this type of overlapping structure. We have this type of structure that formed this bear flag, and usually this type of patterns break to the downside, and it happened exactly as I predicted, and I identified the bottom of the price target as the previous structural level of support that it hit right here, and even previously. If I zoom out to 6 hours time frame, you can see that it hit it several times right here, right here, right here. This range acted right here as the range of resistance. Again, range of resistance right here. So, which means it is the most relevant level of support, and it worked perfectly well. And for now, guys, we have another set of flags, and as you can see, we are retesting this lower border of this channel from the bottom as the level of resistance. And if it breaks it to the upside, it will be another confirmation of its potential uptrend. And I believe that within next several days, when we see the numbers, the delivery numbers for NIO, and if the numbers are higher than 40,000 units, in this case it will be a massive bull catalyst, at least in the short-term perspective, that might drive the price higher. That is why, guys, for now I still want to see, wait a second, this 5 waves movement to the upside. That should be followed by 3 waves retracement. Wait a second, like this. And when it hit the C point, it will be a new potential entry point for you with the tight stop loss slightly below this bottom, with an attempt to hit higher targets. As long as it doesn't happen, we have to rely on sideways movement, or in most bearish scenario, we have to rely on the breakout below this bottom. But when you see this type of structure, 5 waves to the upside followed by 3 waves to the downside, it is a very good contender to be the 1-2 setup on a bigger scale, which might lead us to the next major leg to the upside. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.